In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Smartsheet. This skill can be really useful for creating interconnected documents, making it easier to navigate between various resources or related sheets within your Smartsheet environment. So, let's dive in and look at how you can do this easily and effectively. First, you need to start by selecting the cell where you want to insert the hyperlink. Finding the right cell is crucial because it will serve as the clickable link for whoever is using the sheet. Once you've identified the cell, you'll need to open the hyperlink dialog. One of the simplest ways to do this is by right-clicking directly on the cell. When you right-click, a menu will appear, and from there, you should see an option called Hyperlink. Choose it, and this will open up the hyperlink tool that we'll need. For those of you who are fans of keyboard shortcuts, you can achieve the same goal by pressing Ctrl and K simultaneously if you're using a Windows PC. Mac users can press Command and K together to bring up the hyperlink option. Now that you've got the hyperlink dialog open, it's time to choose the type of link you're interested in creating. Smartsheet offers you a couple of alternatives here. If your goal is to link to an external web page, you're going to want to select the option that says Link to URL. Once you've done that, go ahead and enter the full web address. For instance, if you're linking to an online resource or a company's homepage, you might input something like https www.example.com. Make sure you include the full URL to ensure that it directs properly. Alternatively, if you want to link to another item within your Smartsheet universe, such as another sheet or a report, you can do that as well. You'd start by selecting Link to Other Smartsheet as an option. This will allow you to browse through your existing sheets and reports and select the one you wish to hyperlink. It's a fantastic way to keep all your documents interconnected within your workflow. Once you've chosen and set up the type of link, you might want to tailor how it appears in your sheet. You can set display text, which is optional but highly recommended if you want to keep it clean or more descriptive. Instead of showing the long URL, you can input something simple and inviting, like click here. This not only makes your sheet look cleaner, but also provides an intuitive action that draws attention. Finally, after you've set all these details according to your liking, click the OK button to insert the hyperlink into the cell. And there you have it. Your hyperlink is ready and active for anyone accessing your Smartsheet.